Hey guys, it's Makai, and today I'm going to be reading The Pigeon Needs a Bath. I do not. Okay, let's get started. Mud on here. Go for the beach. Hi, if you don't know, if I don't know if you noticed, but the pigeon is filthy. So I could use your help, because the pigeon needs a bath. What's the matter with that pigeon? Where's the pictures by more worms? What a kidder. I don't really need a bath. I took one last month. I think it was last month. Huge good. Clean, dirty. They're just words, right?
I told Sasha
I feel clean. Maybe you need a bath. Yeah. When was the last time you had a bath? Oh, that was pretty good too. Life was so short. Life is so short. Why waste it on important things like taking a bath?
This ends here.
What smell? I don't smell anything. Oh. And if I do, it's a very normal smell for a pigeon. In some places it is completely the base. All these flies buzzing around me are clearly connectional.
Your hospital and doctor coverage with Part D prescription drug coverage and extra benefits.
PU, yuck. Let's get out of here. Take a bath, dude. Okay, fine. If it means so, I'll take a bath. Whoa. I'm not going to like this one bit. The water is too hot, too warm, too cold, the water is too hot, too cold, too deep enough. No, it's too hot again, too cold, too quickly, it's still too hot. Too many toys, not enough toys, too wet, too cold, too hot, too cold, the water's too hot, too cold. This is still too hot. Not too hot yet. Well, this is okay. Well, I guess this is okay. Splash!
Let's get you on the right path. Call United Healthcare or go online to enroll.
The day after chemo, you could be home.
Wash. Hey, this is for la 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 la. singing in the tub. Hey, this is red. Wash, wash, wash. La la la, singing in the tub. This is life. Oh my gosh, there's more. I love bubbles. Hello, hello. How are you? I'm fine. Look at my wiggling toes. I'm a fish. I'm a fish. 10 hours later. Hey, can I stay in the tub for the end? Okay, that's it for my video. Subscribe or comment or like me. If you want to follow me on YouTube or camera, follow me on YouTube or camera. If you want to go on my channel, visit Makai. www.makai-meofthis.com. See you later. Bye.